Hello guys, welcome to my channel Learn with Fun. Presenting the tallest statue of the world, Statue of Unity. The Statue of Unity is located in the state of Gujarat, India. It is the world's tallest statue with a height of 182 meters, 597 feet. The Statue of Unity is a colossal statue of Indian statesman and independence activist Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The monument is constructed on a river island named Sadhu Bet. It is located on the Narmada River in the Kevadia colony facing the Sardar Sarovar Dam. Statue of Unity is 150 kilometers from Surat, which is known as the Diamond City of India. It is an iconic symbol of the Iron Man, the Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The Kevadia railway station is located at a distance of just 5 kilometers from the Statue of Unity. The project for the Statue of Unity was first announced in 2010. The construction of the statue was started in October 2013 by Larsen & Toubro. The Statue of Unity was designed by Indian sculptor Ram Vanji Sutar. Statue of Unity was inaugurated by Indian Prime Minister Narendra Modi on 31st October 2018. It was the 143rd birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Honorable President of India, Shri Ram Nath Kovind visited the Statue of Unity and paid floral tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Proud to be an Indian, 182-meter statue of legendary activist and politician Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. The purpose behind the statue is the statue will not only remind every individual of our great nation's freedom struggle but will also inspire the people of our country to inculcate Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's visionary ideologies of unity, patriotism, inclusive growth and good governance. Isn't sunset beautiful? Visit Kevadia nestled in the midst of majestic Satpura and Vidya ranges. Statue of Unity, Ek Bharat, Shresth Bharat. Jai Gujarat. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Come visit the Statue of Unity in Gujarat, India. While visiting the Statue of Unity, there are many other small activities nearby to make your trip complete. Cactus Garden, Butterfly Garden, Children Nutrition Park, boating and helicopter ride, Valley of Flowers, riverfront cycling, Sardar Patel Zoological Park and Safari, Sardar Sarovar Dam, and much more. आइए कुछ दिन तो गुजारिए गुजरात में। Thanks for watching up to the end. A smile is a gift which has no price but is priceless. Isn't it amazing that the person who shares this gift loses nothing and the one who receives it gains measureless joy? So keep smiling and learn with fun.